Maraming nagtatanong about how we move our cars from New Jersey to Nevada, Las Vegas. How much ba yung nagastos natin?
I think it was about 2,500.
I thought it's 2.8 for both cars.
Or, yeah, I think like
Ay,
that.
2.5 nga pala.
Like
Ayun,
1,300. I think 1,300.
1.3 per car.
Yeah, per.
And that includes insurance.
Yes.
Tapos may nagtatanong din kung anong name ng company.
Montway.
Ayun na, Montway. You learn about it through a friend.
Friends.
Tapos may two options.
Yung
diba?
covered at saka yung open.
Tatanong mo ba yung covered?
It's quite expensive. Parang ano yung
Magkano?
per car. Like 2,400
Per car?
per car.
Pero across the country na yon. Across the country na kasi state by state by state, diba?
And yung price, that's to Vegas lang yun. I don't know kung saan. How much yung sa iba.
We got the pricing ng covered.
Covered 2,400 to Nevada each car.
Each car. Pero kapag
Open, it's
open,
like about 1,300 plus
1.3 per car. So, by 2.5,
with insurance.
parehas na may insurance na din. But yung sa cover din, may insurance na din yun. The name is Montway. You can Google that. Kumusta naman yung experience natin? May nagtatanong din yung mga pros and cons.
Just to make sure lang na 100
Pounds.
pounds lang ang laman or else mag-a-add ka.
Oo.
Just in case yung driver mag-insist. Sa situation ko before,
Nangyari sa atin.
it happened. Pero buti na lang, I weighed all the things na nilagay ko doon. Kaya alam ko.
Yung sa TV pa, 'di ba? Nilagay
sa
natin
TV
sa car ko. Hindi
But
pa natin
really-
alam kung ilan yung way nun. Pero alam mo,
Hindi, nasa box yeah.
it's not in box. Sinearch ko pa yun
Oo
sa
nga,
online.
Even sa box at saka sa online. So makikita niya na hindi pa umabot ng 100 yun. Hindi rin naman siya.
Sinasabi niya kasi, it's heavy.
Yeah,
It's
yun
heavy.
nga.
Tapos pinupush niya pa na magkanina, papaada, 150. 150, kaya tinawagan kita. Ayan, ito, example niyang minumove yung cars. Pero ito naman, tinan mo, nakatrack lang siya. I mean, pick up
Baka
truck.
kasi dito lang yan, baka towing lang yan. Kasi may nabasa, may total wreck dun sa atin.
Oo nga. Di naman talagang truck is bigger and mas maraming cars. Pwede sa ilalim, pwede sa ibabaw. Sa ibabaw nilagay yung cars na. And kumusta naman yung condition ng cars pagdating dito? Since it's winter,
And it's also
it's not
open.
covered.
Expected mo na madumi siya.
As in,
Alikabok,
andumi.
yeah.
Ano sabi nga ng kapatid mo?
Sabi ng sister ko, hindi yan kay ate kasi bago yun eh. Ano naman yan luma. Parang
Naging mukhang luwa eh. Tapos yung unang drive natin pagdating dito, pag nagbe-brake ako, nararamdaman ko talagang marumi pa rin.
yung
Yan.
advantage naman niya, parang dumating siya sooner as I expected.
Parang 3 days lang, no?
Oo. Ganun. Yan naman yung naging good thing sa kanya.
Nauna pa sa amin.
Ako na pa sa amin.
Yung mga sasakyan. Kaya hindi nga sila makapaniwala na yun kasi mukhang ang dumi-dumi, mukhang luma. Kaya yun lang yung disadvantage. Other than that, since yung Montway, nag-hire sila ng mga truckers na private, katulad na nakausap natin, sabi niya polish siya. Tapos siya yung may-ari ng company niya, yung truck.
Kaya dapat, kung talagang gusto niyo yung... Kasi may iba pa yung price ng gusto mo na exact day, mas higher yon.
Exact day.
Oo, like, kunwari, put a specific day and time na pick upin mo yung car. Yung sa atin kasi is, nagbigay lang ako ng, like, target date.
Like,
Kaya,
span
1 week,
of time.
yeah, 1 week or 2 weeks before.
Kasi di pa tayo
Oo.
nun sure.
Pero, since nakiusap din ako na time na yun nahanapan talaga nila kasi nga magpa-fly na kami noon. So, walang mag-aasikaso. Buti na lang, may nahanap naman sila. Pero yung isang friend na kakilala ko, talaga nag-ano siya, mas higher kasi nga, date and time talaga.
On the exact
Specific,
date and time,
Pick up.
pinick up.
Kasi paalis na rin siya noon.
I can't be there. We're going this way.
Where?
This is right. Kaya dapat mag-antay tayo dito. Come on, come on, come on, come on. Dito tayo, turn right. Tapos na?
Bye!
That's it. If may questions pa kayo, just put it on the comments para masagot namin if we miss anything.
Thank you.
Thank you.